There is nothing worse than looking forward in your day and going, what am I supposed to work on today? And then looking back on it and going, what did I even do today? And while task managers are great, my whole life lives in Todoist, they don't tell the entire story, which is why I have developed a task journaling system, and I even wrote an app using Claude Code to help me reinforce this in my daily life. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. It is the Daily 3 task journaling system. I want to walk you through the app and tell you why I've added each of these pieces. And if you want to download this app or a Notion template that does the same thing, you can click the link in the description below. Okay, so here we are looking at the Daily 3 Task Journaling app. There are three major sections: today's tasks, progress, and completion. Each of these sections are super important to the task journaling system. First, it's the three tasks you have to work on today, and I strongly feel that you should pick three tasks and only three tasks to work on each day. Otherwise, you're going to overload yourself and you're going to end your day feeling like you didn't really get anything accomplished, when even if you got 3 out of 6 tasks done or 2 out of 4 tasks, you did get some work done. So I say pick 3 tasks every day that you say you're going to get done. But again, that is task management territory, right? You can look in your task manager or on the piece of paper you keep on your desk to see what you need to work on. The journaling part happens with the other two sections. So first is progress. Check in halfway through your day and talk about what you've gotten done and maybe why you haven't been as productive, or maybe just that you're absolutely crushing it. I have here some of the videos this morning were a struggle, but I'm free and clear for the afternoon. So I got the videos done. This is actually the last one I have to get done. But I recognize that I am behind schedule a little bit because some of them did not go as smoothly as I would have hoped. And then at the end of the day, you want to check in and see if you completed everything and then answer the questions why or why not. That information is going to be so important in understanding when you work best, how you work best. And as you look back over your week, wonder, why do I have so many open threads? Or what happened this week that enabled me to just absolutely crush it? This sort of task journal helps you understand when you work best and how you work best so that you can structure your days for not just maximum productivity, but working on your most important work. My task journal has enabled me to understand that I mostly work best on Monday mornings and Fridays all day. So now I don't meet with anybody. I don't have any meetings or anything on my schedule on Mondays and Fridays because I know those are the days I work best. But I'll also mark down if I was sick or something like that, right? Oh, I didn't get anything done this week because I was sick or I wasn't really feeling it. So the task journal is an important part of my process. You don't necessarily have to use this exact system, but understanding how you work and what you plan to get done will help you understand your most important work so that you can do things like take Fridays off or take a vacation without bringing your laptop because you have been able to plan ahead. You can take that time off worry free. Now, one feature request that I got from my friend Liz was I also recommend weekly planning. I'll have that video up in the cards and in the description below for how I plan my week. But I recommend you set out 15 tasks for the week, 3 per day. So she said it would be great if there was a feature where on Sundays or Monday mornings, I could just lay out my entire week. And so it's all already in the app. And so I added that. I think it's such a great feature and a great idea and really leans into planning ahead, adding your tasks for the week. Now, there's also the archive where you can see your task journal. Now you can see like I didn't get much done on Friday. I didn't really get anything I needed to get done on Friday done. And that's because I woke up sick. And so I ended up napping for most of the morning and then just doing light work instead. So you can see your entire archive here. Now, one feature for the iOS nerds out there is I added a ton of shortcut and widget support. So I actually have a shortcut run every day at the end of the day to copy my task journal into Obsidian so that I can look back over my week. I have like a dashboard. That's really nerdy. If you want to hear more about that, you can leave a comment below. But I made it easy to get your task journal out of the Daily 3 task journaling app so that you can do with that data what you want. And then finally, there are settings. So this is maybe the most crucial part of me using the app is I get prompted at specific times to put that information in. So my morning prompt is at 6:11 a.m. My midday prompt is at 12:40. So I'm usually about to eat lunch at this point, and so it's a really good time for me to sit down and think about how the first half of the day went. And then evening prompt at 6. So that is definitely going to be the end of my day, no matter what day it is. And so this is a good time to assess what I've been able to get done. But these notifications are really the thing that has worked best for me because I see it on my phone and it keeps me accountable to make sure that I get all of this stuff into the app so that I can review it later. But that's it for this really simple, straightforward app that I vibe coded using Claude Code. Really happy with it. It is available in test flight. So if you are interested, you can go to the link in the description. It's going to be streamlined.fm/daily3, and you will be able to join my mailing list and then get an invite to the beta. But there will also be that Notion template if you prefer that to an iOS app. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments, do you do some form of task journaling? What do you think of just setting 3 tasks per day? I'd love to hear from you. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, I hope you find some space in your week.